The price of one FET coin right now is $2.31. It's gone up 3% in the past 24 hours. The price of FET ended higher than it started 49.63% of the time. One FET has ever been sold for as much as $3.27 in our area. That was 2 months ago, and the price is now down minus 29.31% from that high point. There are 17 technical indicators, and 11 of them say to buy and 1 say to sell. Based on technical price research, the short-term prediction sentiment is bullish. The first big rising resistance for FET is at $2.33. It needs to close above that level to keep going up. The second major support level is at $2.17. We could see the price drop even more if it falls below $2.17. If it can close above $2.33. On the other hand, it can go up to the next level of support, at $2.51. The Relative Strength Index, or SI, for the last 14 days is currently at 52.50, which means that the market is not oversold or overvalued. In the same way, the Relative Strength Index, or SI, for the weekly chart is at 51.98, which also shows that the market is acting normally. Exponential moving averages show a strong sign on the daily chart. At the moment, the price of FET is above all of the 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day EMAs. 3 times out of 6, the price of FET on the last day of May was higher than the open price. 3 times out of 6, the price was lower than the price at the beginning of the month. In the 6 years before this one, October has been the best month for FET. 4 times as much FET was worth at the end of October as it was at the beginning of the month. 5 times out of 6, the price at the end of April was less than the starting price. April is the worst month. For more information, look at monthly results. The first all-time high for FET was in March 2019, and the price quickly dropped to $0.0110, its lowest point in 381 days. This was followed by the second bull run, which took about 2 years since March 2019 to hit a new all-time high. There have been 994 days since the last bull run in September 2021. It took 902 days for FET to hit a new all-time high the last time. Our FET price estimate says that the price of FET could reach $2.51 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think that the price will be $5.04 in 2025 and $9.92 in 2030. Taking into account all of the past highs and lower time frame predictions, the price prediction for 2040 is $31.29. We think the price of FET will be $5.04 in 2025. That's the highest price we think FET will go to, and $3.69 is the lowest price we think it will go to. What the FET will do tomorrow, May the 31st, 2024, $2.49. 1. Saturday, June the 1st, 2024, $2.46. 0 to Sun, June 2020 for $2.46. 3. Monday, June 2020 for $2.51. For Tuesday, June 2020 for $2.51. 5. Wednesday, June the 20th, 2024, $2.50. 6. June 2020 for $2.51. 7. Friday, June the 7th, 2024, $2.51. 8. Saturday, June 2020 for $2.48.